Belajar yang produktif bukan hanya bagaimana cara menuntut ilmu, tapi juga bagaimana cara disiplin, istiqomah, dan amanah sudah menjadi kewajiban bagi tiap santri. Mengejar cita-cita bersama cintanya adalah moto kami, karena kami bukan hanya mengejar kesuksesan di dunia, tapi juga kebahagiaan di akhirat. Di sini kami bersama Minhajus Salam kembali membuka peluang bagi para calon santri untuk mondok di daerah perbatasan Minhajus Salam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Ardian.
And I'm Mashhur Surya. We will guide you to see Minhajus Salam in daily activity.
As-salatu khairun minan naum.
And early in the morning, we wake up for praying subuh together, and we have a language class after praying. Before going to school, we have a breakfast together. We also may add some more rice if we want.
Fil Ma'had Minhajus Salam qabla bad'i fil ansyitati ta'limiyati sabahan yaftatihu jami'ut tullab qira'atal adhkari sabah jama'iyyan. Hayya
نسألك يا من هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر الخالق البارئ المصور الغفار القهار.
It's 8 o'clock now. It's time for study.
Tusta'nafu durusu bita'allumil kutubit turathiyah ma'a irtidai zihil ma'hadi wa dhalika min sa'ati thaniyati ba'da zuhri ila sa'ati rabi'ati ba'da zuhri. Hayya nata'allam.
Fi Minhajus Salam yutawwa'u tullab ala tahadduthi bilughatil arabiyyah wal injiliziyah fi hayatihimul yaumiyah wa yajtami'una kulla masa li ta'allumil lughataini wa mumarasatihima ma'an.
because of too many activities we got a long day. We need to charge our body to do some exercise like playing football or volleyball.
It's 6 p.m. now. We have to be at Musalla for reading Yasin.
اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم.
And it's 8:30 p.m. We are going to study kitab until 11. And it's 12 in the midnight. It's time to sleep now. I think that's all from us. Thank you. Good night. Assalamualaikum.